Hi, sixth grade. My name is Mrs. Romine, and I work for the C4 program in Columbus. I schedule tours for students who need to learn more about C4. While we're not able to physically go into our classroom today, we are excited to still give you a glimpse of what C4 has to offer. Some of you may already know what you want to do after high school. Some of you maybe haven't even thought of it yet, and that's okay. We hope that you'll see something today that will get you excited about your future.
C4 benefits me because it's taught me stuff that I can use outside of school.
I got into C4 because I was very interested in art, I always have been, and I wanted to see how I could maybe apply that to a career.
It definitely shows you what careers you want to pursue instead of spending all the money in college.
It's kind of opened my eyes to different careers before even going to college.
C4 has benefited me tremendously because it offers lots of cool classes that I've taken. I've taken multiple C4 classes, and they're unique teachers, things that you wouldn't find like at normal high schools. I think we're very lucky to have C4 because it lets you have an experience that you might have in the working world. It's not just math, English, and science. It's different specific skill sets that you get to put to work.
I think it's helped me out a lot. I'm graduating with technical honors.
And it gives us a bunch of job opportunities.
C4 has really helped me a lot throughout the years.
It's given me more career-based learning.
I think C4 benefits the students because it gives them something real world to do every day.
It's also really like hands-on, like you could actually touch the parts and like actually create them.
It has made me a more confident person. I've been able to go out and have a true understanding of what I'm actually doing and what I want to pursue as my career.
I guess you learn more than just the basic subjects in school. It helps you get to branch out a little bit more.
I'm taking C4 classes because I plan on being a doctor in the future and I love the hands-on experience.
It's allowed me to see what career paths I want to go down and explore things I normally wouldn't in regular classes.
C4 has benefited me because I kind of, in a real world situation, I would know what to do if I ever needed to do any of this stuff.
are dual credit classes, so you'll get credits for college and high school while you're taking them.
I feel like it can springboard you for college choices and what you want to do after college.
It gives them some experience in what they would encounter in the real world. They get to use high-tech tools and participate in projects that simulate what they would see on the job site.
It's helped me figure out exactly what I want to do in the future.
It counts as dual credit, and we also get internship opportunities.
I took precision machining because I like it and I get career opportunities after high school.
It helps prepare for college because it kind of gives you a mindset of what you're going to be learning in college.
Probably the biggest benefit of C4 is taking experienced teachers like us that have had years and years of experience in the industry and transmitting that experience to students so they can get the benefit of our knowledge.
It's really helped me because it's definitely established a career pathway.
C4 classes are just very different from your traditional classes, and what we recommend is that if you don't know what you want to do with your life, take the introductory level course of a bunch of things and just try it out while it's available to you now.
So sixth grade, what do you think? I know that was a lot of information in a short period of time. There are a few points that I want to make before we go. The first is, I hope you notice that our C4 classrooms don't look like typical classrooms. You probably noticed hospital beds in the nursing class, stacks of lumber in construction, real cars in the automotive class, and even a green screen in the TV studio. And that's just to name a few. C4 aims to provide you with the most hands-on, real-life experiences as possible. Another element I hope you noticed was the enthusiasm that you heard not just from the teachers, but from the students as well. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy going to class every day and sitting at a desk, C4 might be for you. Maybe on the weekend you like tinkering with an uncle's car or trying a new recipe. You could do that as a class. You might have heard the term dual credit throughout the video. Dual credit simply means that while you are in high school taking your high school class, C4 class, that you're also going to earn college credit for that C4 class. So that in the future could save you valuable time and money. Now, maybe you've already decided where you're going to high school. Maybe you're die-hard Bulldog, or you hope to be a future Olympian. But you saw a class that's housed at North that you really want to take, even though you're going to go to high school at East. That's okay. BCSC students, as well as students from our surrounding counties, can take a bus to whatever school their C4 class is housed in so that you can take that class that really gets you excited about learning and about your future. You may have more questions about C4, and I certainly want to answer them for you. Your teacher will tell you what the best way to go about answering those questions that you have is. Write those questions down though, because we definitely want to see you in C4.